Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm unboxing the LookFantastic Beauty Box for October 2020. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. LookFantastic is a monthly subscription from the UK. It delivers 6 curated beauty products with a guaranteed value of over $60 to a global community of subscribers. They do have 1, 3, 6, and 12-month plans that are all billed monthly. That's a big change from most beauty subscriptions, where if you choose a plan that's 3, 6, or 12 months, you have to pay that whole amount up front. With LookFantastic, you will get a reduced monthly rate on those plans, but you are committed for that entire time frame. So for example, on a 3-month plan, you will get a reduction from $19 a month to $18 a month, but you are locked in for those 3 months. Shipping is included in the price. It does ship from England. They say that your box will be dispatched the first working day of each month. Today is, just double checking it, today's the 9th, and mine arrived today here in New Jersey. I was able to track it directly across. It is one of the first subscription boxes to arrive to me this month. I had 3 that all arrived in the same day. None of them are Bakuchiol or Ipsy. But, so yeah, my box got here from England faster than my Bakuchiol has gotten to me from Georgia. Just saying. So anyway, this is this month's box. Lovely purple box this month. It's a nice heavy gift style box that you could reuse. I do use them to store things in, particularly products if I've just bought them until I'm ready to use them, or if I'm putting together a bunch of things to do one look, or to do a review on camera. I'll put all the products in one box. So it is a lovely box, and you may notice this month it's so full that it doesn't close all the way unless I press down on it. So I'm very interested to see what we've got in here. So inside, the lid here says, relax, dream, enjoy. I'm good with that. And they're saying that here's a little insert, and apparently October is the retreat edition. So I'm guessing that this is all about giving yourself a little retreat at home. It actually says here in the editor's note that as the weather gets colder and the days get darker, our retreat edition beauty box is here to help you feel cozy and relaxed. And then within the magazine, it does give you some information on the products, and then it goes further into information about the brands and some information on ingredients and other brands that are not in this box but may have been in other boxes. So it's actually a cool little pamphlet, more than just the insert card you get in most beauty boxes. So it's worth checking out. Now here's the inside. Again, we got lovely purple. We've got a little sticker here. So I'm gonna, and again, you can see it's over the top of the box. It's that full. So there must be some good stuff in here. So let's see what we've got. Ha! Didn't rip the tissue. It's just a thing. Okay, well, I see what was puffing that box up, so I'm going to grab that first. This is from Glove, G-L-O-V, and it says Glove and Relax. It's a soft hair wrap. I don't know if you can see that. It says this is suitable for all hair types. This Glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. It's the hair care accessory you didn't know you needed, ideal for drying hair overnight, locking in hair masks, and significantly reducing overall hair drying time. Oh, it's so soft. So it's, you've probably seen similar things at other beauty stores, but this one is really soft and it's got a nice high pile to it. Most of the time they're really kind of thin, but it's very, again, it's very, very soft. These are available in 3 different colors. There's pink, cheetah, and ivory. So I'm guessing this is the ivory, and it does say glove down here on it. I will absolutely use this. Anyway, it's a good sized towel. I will absolutely use this. I like to, because I've got so much hair, I like to put it up after I shower or, you know, wash my hair. Otherwise it just, you know, drips everywhere until I'm ready to dry it. So this kind of a towel will help to absorb a lot of that water before I'm ready to actually dry it. It's got this little, nice little bag. You could absolutely, you know, bring this with you if you're traveling, when we're able to travel again. And, you know, so if you want to throw your damp towel and so you put it in your suitcase when it's not quite dry. Just a thought. Anyway, LookFantastic in its book says that this is worth £14.99, which would equal $19.55. US retail on this, right from Glove's own website, is $16.95. So for our calculations of whether this box met what it's promised, counting this is $16.95. If you hear noises, my dog has got a some form of a toy or a bully stick or something, and she's chewing in the corner. So that's the noise you're hearing. Our next item is from ECOOKING, and it is overnight foot cream. Okay, let's see if I can get that to focus for you. Say, working its magic whilst you sleep, the ECOOKING foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once. With a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin, it is vegan and dermatologically tested. A full size would be 100 milliliters and retails for $38. This is a deluxe sample, and it is 30 milliliters. And LookFantastic claims this retail is £8.40. Again, this is a UK company, so they're listing their prices. £8.10 would be about $10.50. But based on the full size that retails in the US for $38, this would actually be about $11.40. Okay, next, this was previewed for us last month, and I was very excited to hear about this one. This is product from the company by Terry, and this is the Baume de Rose Flaconette. I'm going to put something, let me see if I put something here. I'm going to see if I put the box behind it, if it'll focus better for you. I hope. Is that working? This travel-friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection. It's infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, and glides onto lips effortlessly while providing a subtle shine, and it's perfect for on-the-go nourishment. This is their travel size. It's 2.3 grams. Again, LookFantastic is giving it a value of £14, which converts to about $18.25. Actually, in the US, this retails for $19, so that's our price on that one. Okay, and next we have a mask, and you actually could have gotten one of 2 masks. We got the STARSKIN Eye Catcher Bio-Cellulose Eye Masks. Let's see if I can make that focus without the glare. How about, I think that'll do it. The other option was from a company called Beauty Pro, and it was another eye mask. And this, can I read this without my glasses? It's an eye mask. It helps around the eyes. Suitable for all skin types, for extremely sensitive, it's an eye mask. LookFantastic gives both of these two potential masks that you could have gotten in the box a price of, or a value of £4.25, which would convert to about $5.54 US. In the US, this mask retails for $6.95, so that's the price we'll give that one. The other one retails for £4.95, which would convert to $6.46. So in both cases, they were under charging for what we could get it for here. And next we have from Bubble Tea. It is Earl Grey Bath Tea. This is a limited edition bath salt. This is developed with LookFantastic. It's only available for the month of October. You can buy it through LookFantastic, or you can buy it directly from Bubble Tea. And they say this innovative bath product comes with a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water. It's formulated to relieve aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. After a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea, containing 100 grams of tea-infused bath salts. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it. I'm a big tea drinker. I drink tea all day long, depending on the weather. It's either, iced tea or sweet tea or hot tea. But I don't know how I feel about tea-scented bath salts, especially Earl Grey. That's a very particular scent and flavor, but I'm sure some people love it and they say it's very calming. So this retails for £5.99, which converts to $7.81. Okay, our last product is from Balance Me, and it is Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum. Is it just me, or are we hearing that ingredient, Bakuchiol, all over the place? I don't remember ever hearing it. Now suddenly in the last couple of months, it's like everywhere. Bakuchiol is 100% natural, plant-based retinol alternative. Provides all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result is smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production, and reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. A full size of this is 30 milliliters, retails for 32 pounds, which converts to $41.73. This is a travel size. It retails for 10 pounds on the Balance Me website, which converts to $13.04. But LookFantastic is claiming it's 11 pounds, which I don't get, considering this is an actual retail size product. This is not just a deluxe sample, but again, I'm going with what we could purchase it for. 10 pounds, $13.04. And that's the entire box for the month. So we got the Balance Me Bakuchiol Smoothing Serum in a travel size. I'm not sure how I feel about it, Bubble Tea Earl Grey Bath Salts. Let me know what you think of that one down in the comments. I don't know what to do with that. We got the STARSKIN eye masks, the By Terry Baume de Rose Flaconette, or fancy lip balm. By Terry is one of those brands that you get in very high-end stores and stuff, so I was excited to see that product in here. From ECOOKING Overnight Foot Cream, another one I'm not quite sure how I feel about, but this is another deluxe sample. And the Glove Hair Wrap. So, LookFantastic boxes are supposed to have a value of over $60. Based on their listed values, the total value of this box would be £50.33, which converts to $76.06. The calculated value that I came up with, based on the actual retail prices of things that I could purchase them for today and converting those for deluxe samples, I came up with $75.15. So we're talking about less than $1 difference. So I totally can't be mad at that. They can't necessarily know what the US prices are on things, especially when they're that close. So I think it was a pretty good box. What did you think? There's some interesting products in the Look Fantastic box. It's a pretty interesting variety. It's not necessarily a makeup box. It is a beauty box, and that's what they call themselves. You know, sort of giving yourself a little spa day at home, since we can't go out and have one anywhere else. Like I said, I love the towel and the lip balm. The other products I'm going to have to see, but don't be surprised if you see some of them in upcoming giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, don't forget to check out my 1 month on YouTube giveaway. It's running through the 21st. I'll link the video up above. But big beauty, makeup, skincare, and other beauty items giveaway. So go check that out if you haven't entered already. But yes, some of these items will undoubtedly be in my next one. I do have some more fun things planned between now and the holidays. So I hope that you will stick around for those. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. Thank you. Thank you so much for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.